Number 1. 1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000, with an automatic transmission and a 2WD drivetrain. The truck has 163,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline engine. It runs great and performs reliably, making it a solid daily driver or work truck. The exterior is finished in red and has recently received new paint, giving it a clean and refreshed look, while the interior is gray and remains in good condition for its age. In addition to the cosmetic updates, the truck is equipped with new speakers for improved audio quality. It carries a rebuilt title due to a previous incident in which a tree branch fell on the vehicle, causing some dents and a cracked windshield. And the truck has been driven for several years since the repairs were completed without any ongoing issues. Overall, this 1992 Chevrolet 1500 is in really good condition considering its age. There are no major mechanical problems, it runs and drives well, and it is fully ready to be driven with confidence. Number 2. 1996 Ford F250, price $10,000, original truck with only 100,000 miles on the odometer. It is powered by a strong 7.5L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, delivering reliable performance for both work and towing. Finished in white with a gray interior, the truck is equipped with a factory tow package, a heavy-duty ladder rack, and dual fuel tanks with a combined capacity of 40 gallons, ideal for long trips or job site use. It passes smog with no issues and remains completely stock, with no aftermarket modifications. The interior shows normal wear consistent with its age, including seat upholstery that could benefit from refreshing, and some rubber trim pieces that are beginning to show age. Despite this, the truck remains solid, runs strong, and is fully ready for work or daily use. Number 3. 1993 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,500. It is powered by a strong 350 V8 engine and has approximately 168,000 miles on the odometer, paired with a smooth automatic transmission. The truck comes finished in a brown exterior with a matching brown interior, giving it a classic and cohesive look. The interior is in excellent condition, with seats that are nearly like new, along with a clean dashboard and well-preserved door panels. It is equipped with desirable features such as power windows, air conditioning, and cruise control, making it comfortable for daily use. The exterior still presents very well and continues to turn heads as a true classic GMC OBS truck. This Sierra starts right up and drives exactly as it should, making it a dependable option whether used as a daily driver, a work truck, or a solid classic to keep original and well-maintained. Number 4. 1992 Chevrolet 2500, price $7,500, powered by a 5.7L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. This 2WD truck has 130,000 original miles and is finished in a classic blue exterior with a matching blue interior. The vehicle comes with a clean title and has clearly been well cared for over the years. It runs and drives great, with smooth shifting and strong engine performance. The engine has recently been gone through and serviced, providing added reliability and peace of mind for the next owner. The body and frame are in excellent condition with no rust, which is becoming increasingly rare for a truck of this age. Overall, this Chevrolet 2500 is a solid, dependable truck that would make a great daily driver, work truck, or classic pickup for someone looking for a clean and honest example. Number 5. 1989 Dodge D150, price $5,000. This truck has 151,000 miles and comes with an automatic overdrive transmission, running on gasoline. It features a red exterior with a matching red interior, along with power windows and power door locks. The truck is clean overall, with a rust-free body and only a small scrape on the front right fender. It has a salvage title for an unknown reason, with no visible damage present. The air conditioning works but has a minor wiring issue. The engine was recently pulled and resealed, including a new head gasket, all new rubber seals, a new water pump, new spark plug wires, new motor mounts, and additional recent maintenance. Number 6. 1997 Chevrolet 2500, price $5,600, equipped with a reliable 5.7L Vortec V8 engine and a 4L80E automatic transmission. It has 278,000 miles, runs on gasoline, and features rear-wheel drive with 8 lug wheels. The truck comes in a red exterior with a gray interior. The frame shows only minimal surface rust, while the body panels, wheel wells, and rocker panels remain rust-free. The undercarriage has been wax undercoat for protection against winter salt. It starts every time and runs very smoothly. Numerous parts have been replaced, including engine sensors, injectors, fuel pump and filter, suspension components, brakes and rotors all around, as well as interior switches and power locks. The truck is also upgraded with a CarPlay radio and new speakers. Number 7. 1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,900, powered by a gasoline engine and comes with an automatic transmission. It features a clean gray exterior paired with a matching gray interior. The truck has a brand new 350 engine installed and holds a California clean title with only one previous owner. There are no mechanical issues at all, it runs beautifully, shifts perfectly, and the engine performs exceptionally well, making it an excellent daily driver. The registration is fully up to date through 2026, and the current registration is available in hand. The tires are in good condition, and all major features are fully functional, including the air conditioning, radio, and all power windows. Overall, this is a well-maintained and reliable truck in amazing condition. Number 8. 1989 Dodge Ram 50, price $6,000, with 143,000 miles and a manual transmission, powered by a gasoline engine. It features a silver exterior with a gray interior and has clearly been well cared for over the years. The truck has had tons of new parts installed, and it has been driven less than 2 miles since all of the new components were put in. The only remaining work needed is the installation of the clutch cable, which has already been purchased and will be included with the truck. For its age, the paint is in nice condition and still presents well. The interior is mostly in good shape, though the seat does show some rips and tears consistent with normal wear on an older vehicle. Overall, this Dodge Ram 50 is a solid, classic compact pickup with many recent upgrades, making it a great project or daily driver once the final small repair is completed. Number 9. 1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. This truck has 252,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a gasoline-powered 350 engine, finished in white with a blue interior. The truck has never seen road salt, leaving the frame and body extremely clean with zero rust or rot. Some paint was pulled off when the previous owner removed the body moldings, and those areas were lightly covered with rattlecan primer. It runs, drives, and shifts properly, and the air conditioning is said to work, though it could not be tested due to cold weather. The truck is equipped with power windows and power door locks, but the dashboard is cracked. While it needs a paint job and minor trim pieces, it remains an unmodified OBS with a clean Florida title and is an excellent base for a project or daily use. Number 10. 1989 Chevrolet 3500, price $3,950. It has 132,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission and a reliable 4WD system. It features a blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior and runs on gasoline. The truck has a clean vehicle history and recently passed California smog inspection on February 4, 2026. Powered by the legendary 7.4L 454 V8 engine and paired with a TH400 3-speed automatic transmission, this truck runs and drives great. The steering feels tight and responsive, reflecting its solid mechanical condition. It has just been fitted with Chevy HD stock 16-inch wheels, adding to its durability and classic heavy-duty look. Overall, this Chevrolet 3500 is a well-maintained, strong-running truck with proven performance and dependable drivability.